So one thing to keep in mind is that a diverse team feels less comfortable than a homogeneous team. But the problem is that comfort isn't necessarily good for the business, isn't good for innovation, isn't good for your profitability. And so knowing that diversity is better for you as a company, why is it so elusive? Well, the most obvious reason is that we all like what's comfortable. We like being around people like us. We hire in companies for what we often call culture fit. We have a company culture that's important to us, and we hire people who fit that culture. And what does that mean? We end up hiring people just like us, who look like us, who have our same education, our same socioeconomic background, etc. What we really want is for people who are going to add to our culture, bring new perspectives, new ideas, new backgrounds. And the reason we don't do that so much of the time is because our unconscious biases take over in how we hire and how we write our job descriptions. And so it's very important to first become aware that we all have unconscious bias, and that is neither good nor bad. It is just a reality, and to be aware of those biases. And then start to put systems in place that are going to overcome the fact that the biases are there. So for example, start looking at how you write job descriptions, because job descriptions can be extremely biased. It turns out many job descriptions that use really aggressive, macho language, which is not uncommon. We're a hard-driving company, and we want, aggressive people who are going to be fast learners. That kind of a job description will actually turn off many women, many people of color, many underrepresented groups, because they feel like, oh, that's going to be this kind of culture I'm not going to be comfortable in. So they don't even apply for those jobs. So pay attention to the language and work on inclusive language in your job descriptions and learn more about doing that.